distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land on which we meet, and we pay our respects to their elders past, present, and emerging. Honored to be here this evening to be part of this significant milestone for Fiji. Today's inaugural flight by Fiji Airways to the Gold Coast, as I said, not only marks a new chapter in connectivity, it also opens up many opportunities for trade and positive engagement between Australia, Fiji, and the wider Pacific region. It also serves as a bridge that brings out our families and our communities even closer. This occasion is made even more meaningful as it coincides with the commissioning of Fiji'S Honorary Consul in Queensland, Dr. Vilaseri Tuicolo. And we acknowledge his presence here tonight, and also his dear wife, Luisa. Good to see you both healthy and here to honor Fiji with the acceptance of this role. The role of an honorary consul is one of trust, of responsibility, and of service. It is a position conferred not only in recognition of professional standing and community respect, but also in response to strengthen Fiji's presence and partnerships with Australia through the state of Queensland. Alongside their personal and professional commitments, an honorary consul undertakes specific duties on behalf of the Fijian government. These duties are carried out under the guidance of the Fiji High Commission in Canberra and in alignment with the objectives of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and External Trade in Fiji. The functions of an honorary consul are both practical and symbolic, which includes building relationships, promoting trade and tourism, and acting as a point of information dissemination. Through these responsibilities, the honorary consul becomes a bridge connecting Fiji with communities abroad, fostering goodwill, and advancing our shared aspirations for peace, unity, and progress. Dr. Tuicolo and I go back many years. In 1963, he came into Queen Victoria School as a young student. I was in my second year. And we grew up together in the boarding school. And I had to repeat university entrance form. He did it only once. He found it easy. I found it difficult. Because even after the second attempt, I still failed. So the only way open for me was to accept that academia was not my path, and decided to join the army. And when people ask me nowadays about what do we do with school dropouts, I said we just wait long enough till they become prime ministers. It is a great honor for me to be here, and I now invite Dr. Tuicolo to come forward and accept the certificate, which was signed on the 27th of February, who was then by Ro Felipe Tuicolo, was then acting Minister for Foreign Affairs and External Trade. Well, congratulations, Doctor. With it comes your responsibility to represent Fiji and also to represent the people of Fiji in Australia, particularly here in Queensland. We trust, and I know that you're capable. Congratulations.